Kasama natin si Ginoong Veridicno. Tama po ba? Atienza, ang General Manager ng Philippine Retirement Authority. Para sa may gustong ikonsulta, ipadala ito sa aming text line at social media accounts na makikita sa inyong TV screens. Yun. Baliktad pala yun. Good morning po. Good morning.
Morning sa inyo. Morning po.
Oh, sir, ano po ba yung mga kailangan o anong mga visa ang ino-offer ng ating bansa para dun sa mga gustong dito na mag-retire o dito nang mamuhunan or whatever?
Well, may mga sari-saring visa yan eh. Pero yung sa amin, yung covered namin yung Special Resident Retirees Visa,
Yes.
SRRV. It's a retirement visa. Ano yun? For foreign nationals and former Filipinos.
Okay. Tapos pag kumuha po sila nun, do they have to prove kung saan sila titira or something? Kasi iniisip ko, yung mga retirement sa ibang bansa, meron silang mga retirement homes, etc. Dito sa Pilipinas, hindi natin gano'n naririnig na meron
Yung,
tayong gano'n.
well, yung binanggit mo, they don't have to prove or indicate where they intend to live. Kasi irrelevant naman yun eh.
Okay.
Diba? Ang mahalaga may mga qualifications na hinahanap namin as to age, as to visa deposit, as to health of, mental health, physical health, mga ganon. Saka yung wala siya sa negative list. Yung, alam yung negative list, yung mga pedophile siya, terrorist, etc. Basta mag-qualify siya dun sa requirements, walang problema. Yung regarding yung tirahan niya, normally they stay in condominiums.
Okay.
Or
Kasi they can't own land, no?
Yes. They can own condominiums and entitled to. With regard to yung house and lot, they can do so, but they rent on a short-term or a long-term basis. So ang instrument for long-term, yung contract of lease, long-term lease, walang problema yon. Yung retirement homes, we don't have yung what they have in the States or in Canada or in Japan. Kasi sa atin, by the very nature of our society, hindi pa talaga tayo inclined towards having retirement homes. No? It's not exactly what we have here as a matter of practice for Filipinos. But we have residences for foreigners. No? Ang magandang example ngayon, yung sa Cebu, yung life care residences ni Alma Goodwin. Yung mga Hapon, they're putting up something, I think, nagka-agree na yung Cebu City Council regarding the rent that they would charge this Japanese project. Yung malaking project yun. That will be the biggest in the Philippines, cutting edge yun, as to concept and amenities. 3 buildings sa Cebu SRP.
Laki.
Sa reclamation. Hindi, not the whole reclamation area. Yung 1.25 hectares lang. Pero 3 buildings, mga 1,200 residents, 800 units more or less ang Siguro may mga couples kaya
So may demand din po pala talaga. I mean, marami din talagang gusto dito mag-retire sa Pilipinas.
Madami. Well, ang potential demand is around 800 million globally.
Wow.
Malaki talaga. Malaki.
What will be the requirements
Na kinakailangan para mag-apply sila ng visa, retirement visa dito sa Pilipinas?
Well, unang-una yung edad. They have to be at least 35 years old. Depende rin sa product.
35 agad
Kasi may mga careers talaga na...
Oo, na maagang mag-retire.
May careers na 35, medyo retired ka na, di ba?
Oh gosh, how I wish. To be
Oo,
this,
no? Sobrang
Well,
secured kasi.
If yung mga without any bias
Yes,
to any
yes.
profession, di ba? Kunyari, athletes.
Correct, yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
naman
that's right.
matagal.
Supermodel,
Yeah.
katulad ni Angela. Oh.
Supermodel talaga.
Or yung mga, model siguro, o artista, di ba? Hindi naman exactly matagal
Yeah,
lang
yeah,
yeah.
Hindi ganun ka-durable yung
Age.
career nila. And then, kahit sa korporasyon, you have mga whiz kids, mga, at 30, wash out na sila. 35, wash out na sila. Especially kung di sila magaling sa politika. Di ba? What brought them there very quickly to near the top may not bring them further higher. Kaya they opt out, they move out to another country. They bring whatever resources that they have. They become entrepreneurs, they set up businesses. Madaming ganun nangyayari sa atin. From Japan, Korea. Yung iba naman, sari-saring reasons eh. Without naming the country, we have nationals coming here because of the freedom that we have here. This thing that we consider democracy, na yung the press that we have, di ba? Yung
Yes.
masyadong free daw. Yan ang hinahanap nila kasi they cannot really speak out in their own country.
Yeah.
Our weather, the sky, nakikita nila ang sky. In their home countries, they cannot see the sky.
Puro smog.
Wala akong binabanggit ng country. No? pero things we take for granted.
Yes.
As a country and as a people. Very much appreciated by these people. So they come over. Different reasons. Yung edad, isa lang sa mga And then, syempre kailangan may visa deposit. Kasi we don't want them to be charges of the state.
Correct, yeah.
Diba? Madami nang mahirap dito. Aako pa tayo ng... Diba?
Yeah, oo.
Pero hindi naman, of course, it doesn't follow na pag dumating dito, may deposit mayaman, nagtatapos na mayaman. Kasi minsan, sila pabaya sila.
Waldas.
Waldas. Lalo pag na-inlove. Pag na-inlove sa Pilipinas. Diba? So, ganyan ang yung mga requirement namin. Plus good health. Pero meron kaming product, yung SRV Human Touch.
Okay.
Para dun sa may mga medical condition talaga. Oo. Yun, we hope to push that.
Aside po, of course, sa pag-grant po ng visa dito po sa mga retirees na po nito, no? Ano-ano pa po yung mga benepisyo na pwede nilang makuha?
Well, it's something very basic things. They're entitled to indefinite stay with the legal effect of permanent residence. Tapos yung multiple entry exit privileges, accepted sila sa travel tax well up to certain period. Madaming some import privileges, medyo outdated na nga, these have to be brought to date, no? Yung walang minimum residence requirement. Like sa States, yung green card.
Yes.
Green card holder.
6 months. Dito wala eh. Magpakita ka dito 1 day in a year. I-renew mo yung ID mo. Di ba?
Pwede na.
Pwede na. Maganda.
Sir, meron po,
Tsaka yung medical tourism natin, pwede rin nating ipagmalaki yan. One of their benefits as well.
Medyo.
Medyo lang.
sir, meron po bang
It has to be qualified.
Oo, meron po bang pagkakataon na nare-revoke niyo yung visa? Ano po yung mga violation na ginagawa?
For cause. For cause. So, like, kung minsan...
Kung may criminal offense, gano'n,
pag
definitely.
nagkakaso sila, proven, guilty. Pero maingat naman kami, we observe due process.
Alright.
Sir, para po doon sa mga gusto pong magpatulong po sa inyo po at saka sa ahensya ninyo, paano po kayo matatawagan o makokontak?
Doon sa website namin, saka may 848-1412. So, yung inquiry at pere.gov.ph.
Yan, maraming salamat po Mr. Veredigno Atienza. Siya po ang General Manager ng Philippine Retirement Authority.